Didn't think that itching would ever stop. What's happening? I can't run! What just happened? Did I just sprout wings? I just sprouted wings! I've got to help them. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Whoops.
Spike, how did you get wings?
I don't know, but they're pretty awesome. Whoa!
Do you think you can fly up and distract him while I work on freeing Zecora and Rarity?
Hey, giant chicken! If you like dragons so much, come and get me! Greetings.
I know that the molt produce surprising things, but I'm glad that the last was a new pair of wings.
Yes, and also I'm glad you've got wings! This is amazing! I didn't know if you'd ever get wings. I'm so happy for you.